What I love about the Flute Studio at Lawrence is its openness and its creativity. I think as musicians, we need to think carefully about what we're trying to communicate and the music we want to promote and get behind, how we want to position ourselves, and what we want to share with an audience. I really am excited when my students bring me project ideas. When they have something they're very passionate about, I'm all in. And I think here at Lawrence, there's a lot of opportunities to explore unique pathways. There's students commissioning works, there's students working with composers directly on their music, there's students championing certain types of music, and I think this personal approach to finding music that speaks to you and that you want to engage with is very empowering, and it produces some amazing results. Students are very excited and they're motivated and they're building really special projects. My lessons are highly individualized and really based on what a student is excited or able to bring on a week-to-week basis. We spend a lot of time at the beginning of each term, or when appropriate, choosing repertoire. We have a technique routine, we have etudes, we have several pieces on the go. I've always appreciated having a variety of music to engage with in my practice sessions, and so I try to always have 2 or 3 pieces on my students' stands at a time as a healthy way to bounce between things, also to create conversation between different styles and what they're thinking about. I think that many of the skills that make a wonderful musician and artist are also the skills that make us interesting, engaged people. And often in lessons with prospective students and younger students, I'm looking for a curiosity, a flexibility, an openness to new ideas, and a willingness to engage with new topics and new ideas being thrown at them. So often, if it's someone I haven't met before, I will throw a duet on the stand and see what that brings up when we work together, when we make music together. Often in first lessons, I will bring out a couple of my favorite techniques of singing and playing, or doing some percussive sounds or jet whistles to get the air moving, to use my body in slightly different ways, to approach sound in slightly different ways, and gauge what interest there is there. And if someone is willing to jump in, then it's not about perfection or immediate ability. It's really about the willingness to just jump on board and give it a try. When I first came to Lawrence, I had very little experience playing in flute ensemble myself. And now, many years later, I've come to really value that forum as a way that the studio can come together and make music all together. And we've come up with some amazing projects that have let us engage with a whole host of different types of music, different venues, different ways of sharing our music, and just to also appreciate the community we've built as a flute studio and to come together and enjoy that time together.